Google launched Nano, which is advanced AI-powered image generator, and the other name is Gemini Flash 2.5 Image. This is the best AI-powered image generator in the current market. You can generate images from scratch from your prompts, but the best part here is you can edit images using your prompts, like how you can edit images in Photoshop. I tried Nano, and the best part here is you can also try this for free. Just go to Google AI Studio and upload an image and give the prompt whatever you want to edit or whatever the image you want to generate. After I tried, the thing I understand is this can replace Photoshop and this would become a Photoshop killer. In this video, I'll show you how this would kill Photoshop and some of the use cases of this Nano. Stay tuned to the video till end and don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel.
First, let's see by uploading an image in this search bar, and let's try to change the background of the image to a beautiful landscape. After entering the prompt, just click on this run button. It is now generating the image. Let's await until the model completed the generation. See, the generation is completed and look at the detail, guys. How detailed it was generated, and look at the shadows. Awesome. And now let's try to change the clothes of the character there. So I will change his clothes to a black suit, and I'll also try to change his posture. Let's try this. See, look at the fit and look at the color grading. It's try to match the background colors, and look, it even change the shoes, and it maintains the shadows, and even it maintains the watch on my hand also. Now let's try to add another character into the photo and changing their head direction to facing opposite to each other. Let's see how it is generated. My character is facing towards the camera and Sundar Pichai's character is facing opposite direction to the camera. Let's see how it will generate. See, generated almost correctly, but Sundar Pichai's character is almost correctly, but mine is disturbed because I gave the character looking direct to the camera, but here I want to turn that to the right side, so I think Google will work on this also. So this is how Google destroying the Photoshop and other image generating platforms. If you are watched the video till now, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Bye bye.